jump on and share something with you, a quick little tip that I found. I like to do smoothies once in a while. Life gets crazy sometimes, and getting everything out to prepare a meal can be a lot of work, and so I would do a quick smoothie. But I found like the smoothie was taking even more time than making a quick meal because I like to put lots of different things in my smoothie. So I was ending up with taking out all of these containers, throwing it all in the blender, putting it all away. And by the time I was done, I'm like, I should have just made a meal, right? So anyway, all of a sudden one day it hit me, why not put it into little containers, scoop it all out once for a few weeks worth of containers, and then you just plop and go. So I wanted to jump on real quick and just show you what I do. So let's get, okay, so this is my prep. I've already started, and I'll just tell you what I've already put into my containers. So I get these little cheapy ones from like the dollar store. They don't have to be amazing, and I just keep using them over and over. So right now I have 9, but I think I'll probably get a few more. But what I started with is I put a scoop of vanilla protein powder. I love this particular protein powder from Amare because it also has a formula that's really great for your gut-brain axis, which gets all your insides humming nicely, and it's vegan, plant-based with chickpea protein, brown rice protein, and pea protein are the primary sources there. Non-GMO, sugar-free, all natural, gluten-free, soy, dairy-free, all the good stuffs. Good stuff. So anyway, so I did a scoop of the vanilla and a scoop of the chocolate. I actually, I find I don't like chocolate enough to do 2 scoops of chocolate personally. And the vanilla for me, I don't like sweets enough to do 2 scoops of vanilla. So when I do 1 scoop of each, it's perfection. And then I added in some seed fiber because fiber is absolutely amazing for your gut, and it helps all the good bacteria have the food sources that it needs. I also added some collagen from Trim Healthy Mama. And so this is a dairy-free protein source. And I was able to throw a scoop of that in every single one of them. It's good for your hair, your nails, your skin, all of those things. Right now I'm going to add in my superfoods because if I want a meal, I'm getting all this great nutrition, but I also want to get some of my greens. So this superfood has some amazing things in it like spirulina and beets and I believe artichoke and all kinds of amazing things. Broccoli, asparagus, strawberry, tart cherry. Side note, tart cherry is really great for sleep. So if you want to do that at night sometimes, not this formula, I'm saying just tart cherries at night to help you sleep. So that's really a nice little tip. So I just put a scoop in each one. And then I also like to put a little touch of salt, believe it or not. And so I use this pink Himalayan salt and I just do a pinch. Not a lot, just a little pinch, because the salt helps bring out the flavor. And your body actually needs a little bit of mineral salt to help keep you hydrated. So it's good to add that. I'm not talking about white table salt, but the mineral salt is great. And then I just put the tops on, and I have a little shelf over here, and I just put them all on there. And when I'm ready for a smoothie, I can throw this in my bag and take it with me and add it to water. Or I can add it to some other like almond milk if I wanted to. But I'm home most of the time, so I like to throw mine into the blender with some ice, some coconut water, and some, what am I talking about? Coconut water, what else do I, oh, spinach. Couldn't think of what spinach was called. And I throw in some fresh spinach into the blender as well. Sometimes I'll even put some celery. You could put avocado in there, whatever you like. And so it takes just a few minutes, and now I'm ready for 9 days worth of smoothies, and I can put all of this away. It's not on my counter, it's not in the way, but I'm getting all this great nutrients in one quick step every morning. Hey, thanks for watching the video today. I'd like to invite you to join me in the comment section below. I'm offering my free recipe booklet. You're going to get 5 delicious and quick recipes to help you get dinner on the table quickly and nutritiously at the same time. So jump on down into the comment section, grab your free copy now, and we will see you on the next video.